Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have RUNE Daily Update. One spot left for our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Be sure to join in and of course you will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hand, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see RUNE. So RUNE against USDT and RUNE against Bitcoin chart. Okay, RUNE against USDT. We had the same bottom since 19 July, a very strong support level. We broke above and now we are going all the way higher until probably this top trend line. We are going to see though what is going to happen, when you should be careful and so on, because you have to be careful even now. Now that we have the commodity channel index in an overbought, you have to be extremely careful. On the weekly, we do not have the RSI in an overbought, but anyway, this is a matter of time until we have a nice correction going on. Anyway, right now we are going to see the technical analysis on the daily frame and we are going to the risk metrics. You can see that it is going crazily higher, probably not even forming even a bearish RSI divergence back here on RUNE against USDT. We will see about that though. We will see about how it can do. If we close below right here this high, then we are going to have a mini bearish RSI divergence on the daily frame. So therefore you would have to be a little bit careful, and we are floating above the 70 for RUNE against USDT. Okay, let's go to RUNE against Bitcoin chart right now. RUNE against Bitcoin chart has gone above this resistance level that it is very critical, the 0.302363. Can we get even higher? Possibly we can. Okay, and on the weekly frame we can, of course. On the daily we are seeing constant bearish RSI divergences, consecutive bearish RSI divergences here on the daily for RUNE against Bitcoin chart. So therefore, yes, you should be a little bit careful. But anyway, if I had to take the price analysis on, I would say that we can go eventually to 0.302771 and to 0.303219. Okay, RUNE against USDT right here, RUNE against Bitcoin short chart is going crazily higher and higher all the time right here. And of course, we do not care about bearish RSI divergence or so. We just have some small corrections and then we go even higher. Okay, so eventually this will keep going probably on to the next price targets that we talked about, with some corrections in between, but in overall with some higher lows and higher highs right here. Volume is decreasing a little bit, so be careful about that. And of course, let's go to RUNE against USDT to see some next price targets. As we talked about on the weekly frame, we have this top trend line. Okay, starting from this top back on 17 May 2021, you can see if we connect the upper shadows, okay, the top wicks of the candlesticks, then we're having this resistance line. Okay, we can go towards the 13.6, we could go towards some higher price targets as well. Let's drop a Fibonacci retracement so we can see them clearly. First of all, on the weekly frame, we are upon a very strong resistance line. This is the 0.0618, 11.82. Okay, surpassing this target will probably get us into the next target, which will be the 14.3. So anyway, though, with the top trend line, we cannot actually go there. So what is the case? Because if I take the Fibonacci retracement lines, we should probably be going to 14.24. But if I take the top trend line right here, we shouldn't be able to go towards the 14.24. Okay, what is next for RUNE? First of all, I would say pay tons of attention to this resistance level that we are right now. Okay, we might be having a little bit of a sell pressure right here and we go further down. If we do not close above the 11.82 on the daily frame, then I think that you should be staying a little bit away from this. Okay, anyway, I think that it is very likely that we can close above. If we can do that, then we will be going to the next price target, which will be around 13.8 to 13.5. Okay, this whole area right here, we can go towards the 13.5 and to 13.8, depending on when we are going to achieve that. Whole crypto market is bullish right now. Altcoins are bullish right now. Rune against Bitcoin does not seem to want to go down. We might be having some more pump up. However, for Rune against USDT, you have to be extremely careful. As of now, we are approaching not only the 0.618, but the top trend line we have back from 17 May 2021. And you can see that if we connect the top right here, a non-biased trend line, then we are having this and we are approaching the high of the top trend line, and then we might be correcting. But what if we can't break above, right? Yeah, there's always a chance that we can break above. So always keep in your mind, if we close above the 14.25, then Rune is going to do something crazy. It is going to have an impulsive wave on the weekly or on the daily frame, and therefore we can even achieve higher than the 20 USDT. All right, higher, even higher. Yes, we can do that on the monthly frame. It is looking good. It is looking like we can get a very nice bullish candlestick. However, we will wait and see what we can do. I really think that Rune is not over yet. I really feel that we can go towards the 13.5 and so on, 13.6. However, afterwards we will have to wait and see. So Rune will be going even higher, and once we approach this top trend line, you should be really careful. So next price targets for Rune for the midterm mostly is the 14.6, around there that we can eventually go. It was the high back here on 26 November 2021, as you can see. But apart from that, we should be extremely careful after. Of course, we have the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement line right here. We might be correcting if we cannot close above, but anyway, if we do that, then we will be going easily towards the top trend line. And if we go above the 14.25, then be certain that the next target will be even higher than the 20 USDT for Rune. It might be going in a crazy impulsive wave mode. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, one spot left, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.